Ingrown toenails cause great discomfort and pain, and happen when a nail starts to grow curved into the skin. It, therefore, leads to swelling, tenderness, irritations, and redness, as well as an infection. The main reasons for ingrown toenails include heredity, inappropriate footwear, and a foot injury. This issue is quite common and is often too difficult to treat. However, there are several effective natural ways to soothe the pain rendered by it. Remember not to cut or trim the nail, and it is best to always consult your doctor before you try anything on your own. The following methods are extremely effective and you will soon feel great relief. Tea tree oil. This oil is a potent natural disinfectant. All you need to do is to apply a few drops of it to the affected area. Apple cider vinegar. Washington. Vinegar is an effective method in the case of an ingrown toenail. You should just dilute a quarter cup of it in some warm water and soak your feet in it to relieve the pain and discomfort. Also, it can stop infection if you apply it directly to the wound, as its potent antibacterial properties clean the area, yet, it cannot fight a current bacterial infection. Warm bath with Epsom salt. Epsom salts soothe irritations, soften nails, and disinfect the foot from bacteria. Just soak the foot in the lukewarm water with these salts for 20 minutes. Antibiotic ointment. It is of high importance to keep the feet clean, as the affected area is vulnerable and core. The feet come in contact with a lot of germs, so you should apply antibiotic ointment regularly, and wrap it with a bandage to keep the toe sterile. Floss or a cotton ball. You can use a cotton ball or flow to reduce the pressure between the nail and the painful toe. Lift the nail with tweezers, or dental floss wrapped around the nail, to carefully place a sterile cotton ball underneath, and ensure the nail is comfortable above it.